It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A very monstrous day today, so definitely some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning, and really we're going to start from scratch. We'll move these lines up here, and I'll use them later on in the video, but given how far the price closed up above those lines, yeah, they pertain, but like I said, from a presentation standpoint, I don't want a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, so I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. So let's first start by talking about some areas of support. And the ideal level of support going forward, I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest would be right here at 75 cents. You can already see on a couple occasions the bears try to press down below there. Right here, I guess didn't quite hit it, but got within the vicinity. And the bulls have been doing a good job so far of holding as support. Now, if the price does drop below 75 cents, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above there, that would certainly be best case scenario. As I talked about in the video from Friday, and just really kind of a very black and white way to approach the chart and a way to measure the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move all revolves around the purple line down here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. And the easiest way to look at that is as long as the price remains above that purple line, which is going to continue to move upwards, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. So keep an eye on those couple areas of support. As far as resistances are concerned, pretty straightforward. I'm going to call it right up here at about 98 cents. I realize the price got slightly above there, but give or take a couple pennies right up there is going to be where the main battleground is going into tomorrow and really the remainder of the week, which is still 4 days left. I guess today's just Monday, right? So a whole lot of time left for the bulls to potentially get back up there. But at the end of the day, it's not necessarily about breaking levels of resistance. It's all about putting in higher lows, and you don't even have to look at another chart to see that this illustrated. You can see right here that as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases, which it's been doing, then you have stair steps going in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. So yeah, breaking levels of resistance is important, but from big picture perspective, as long as the price is building higher lows, the long-term chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.